Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Did you buy the dip last night? Do you agree what happened with the markets? You got shut out as Israel attacked Iran last night. We had all kinds of issues going on. We're going to discuss what I did, what I posted immediately, so all of you got benefits and you knew what I was doing. Did you get in? Was you able to get in? Well, let's discuss it this morning. So this is being made during a live video, so anything can happen. Anyone can comment, do a super chat over the top and all the rest of it. So let me tell you what happened last night. This was the moment, and we can see it exactly here. Oh, hello.
Wadey donated £5 through a super chat. It is what I like about this channel. Valid opinions are appreciated and handled maturely.
Maturely, I think that means, but yes, there we go. I appreciate that, and I appreciate your support. I told you this was made during a live video, so anything can happen during the making of these videos. Look, last night, this was the moment. Israel attacked Iran last night. Boom. The S&P went down. It was nearly a 4% drop at one point. Doesn't show completely here on a line chart like this, but it was a very, very big drop. Let me show you what I did. Here is when it started. I posted it immediately for you. My members always get the information first. I had videos come out first for the members and post for the members, all kind of things. But anyway, this came out last night. This is when it started. Boom, we had an overnight Israel hits Iran. This happened, but what happened just after that might surprise you. What happened? Well, just a few moments later, as it continued to drop, Robinhood shut down overnight trading. 24-hour trading, of course. I can trade, as all of you can, on Robinhood 24 hours a day from 7 p.m. Central Eastern, 7 p.m. Central on Sunday to Friday, 7 p.m. Central. We get a 24 hours a day trading, but it all stopped. Now then, what did I do? Let me share with you exactly what I did. I posted that it collapsed and I was buying. So what did I do? Let me share with you. I took advantage of this situation. I started buying more yesterday. 461, 459, 453. As you can see, it went down big, went down really big. I bought at the bottom with 4 more shares. Now, how I've done that is, if I share with you this here, this is my real trades, my real money, as you all know. I am using margin at the moment, paying 8%. There you go. You can see I've spent $12,000 now on margin at 8%. I will be paying off about $3,000. And remember, the first $1,000 is free anyway. I'll be paying off about $3,000 on the 21st of April when I get paid on YouTube. So I will be able to pay a good portion of that off. I've also got, also anticipate by the end of next month being able to reduce it further, obviously, when I get paid again. For me, it was worth it because that was a big enough dip. You're going to get $1.80 we expect on the next earnings, on the next dividend payment. So the interest payments will cover it. Now, that's why I bought the S&P. Now, I wouldn't buy anything else in a conflict like this. Let me share with you why. Because at the end of the day, you need diversity and you also need defensive stocks. If we end up with a World War III, you need Raytheon, you need Lockheed, but you also need Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson and oil as well. So the S&P is the perfect choice with the dividend and everything else. Now, if we look at defensive stocks this morning, slightly down, Coca-Cola slightly down. If we look at Tesla, awful now, 147. Stocks are being hit left, right, and center. You can't pick a winner at the moment. It'd be very, very difficult to do that. Other than, of course, oil, which has had a nice little rally over the last few days. You see that spike there? Went straight up as this happened and then straight back down. That was on the 24-hour trading. Boom, boom. People took money out of it. And now that's a problem. You might decide, right, I'm going to buy Raytheon. I'm going to buy Lockheed. I'm going to buy oil. And the trouble is everybody then starts taking money out because them losing money on other things, so they want to buy the dips on other things. So it's very, very hard to pick the winner. So I'd rather not do that, and I'd rather buy the overall American index, the 500 best companies probably in the world. It makes sense to do that. That's why I did that. Now, the question is, and what this video is all about, is Robinhood halted the trading last night. Do you agree with that? I'd like your thoughts in the comment. What happened was, all of a sudden, you couldn't trade, and everybody was getting a bit hot under the collar, going, "What's going on? My stocks are going down, and I can't buy, I can't sell." Now, we need to explain what happened, and is Robinhood, in the wrong here? Well, this always happens. Not always, but a lot of the times. So the reason I posted on X last night was to let you know what was happening immediately. There it was. There's the post. You saw it. If you follow me on X, you will know of all of these things before anyone else. I mean, I'm on this literally 24 hours a day unless I'm sleeping. Even then I'm waking up. All right, I'm here to serve the members, okay? So basically what happened, it was a reset. They fired off the circuit breaker. If it's like a bank run, if they allow everyone to fear and panic overnight like this, when not everyone can react to the market, just the big institutions and those who do have access to 24/7, which everybody on Robinhood does, the market could go down big, like 50%. If everyone could keep selling, everyone knows it's going to keep going down, so everyone else keeps selling, and you get massive amounts of volatility. That's not good. It's great for you. It was great for me last night to buy that dip. I've got the S&P going back 3 or 4 months now. Brilliant, great, very good for me. However, it's not going to last for many minutes, because it's like a bank run. When people turn up at the bank and say, "Give me the money," it doesn't take very long before they stop giving you the money. All right, so that's what happened. Now, do you agree with Robinhood? Do you think it's wrong? A lot of people will be talking about GameStop and they'll go in, "Oh, this is what happens." But you need to understand that it's a bit like a gold rush. If we have a gold rush at the bank and everyone takes the money out and everyone goes berserk, then the bank system breaks and nothing works for anyone. So you have to have a circuit breaker. It's the responsible thing to do. It gives a reset. It allowed those that were really switched on to make their trades, get in, buy on the dip. And let me know in the comments below, did you buy the dip? Did you get that? That's why I was asking Eric earlier, one of our members who buys the S&P with me. Did you do that? And then it was stopped. That was it. You were the first in the queue. You got your shares and it was stopped. If it had been allowed to continue, we could have seen the stocks down 20% this morning, or during the night, that is. Now, again, great, but also bad. So, you can't have everybody selling at the same time. It wouldn't work. So anyway, what did you do? Do you agree with Robinhood? It wasn't just them. Other brokerages did it. For me, it's the right thing to do. It's a responsible thing to do. If we had completely free trading, 24/7, unlimited, the stocks could literally, we could wake up every morning and find the S&P at $1 up and down like a yo-yo, if that was allowed to happen. It's not allowed to happen. People know there are circuit breakers, so they don't start getting in like that, try and do that. If that happened, we'd literally be living in a casino, and the system would break, nothing would work, nobody could invest, there'd be no structure, it would be chaos. What do you think? Click above my head, down below in the description. Was Robinhood right? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Over here, I'll post more videos. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.